What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Flare 2 Bluetooth speaker in black I picked up at Walmart for $69. Out of 5 stars, this speaker gets 5 out of 5 out of 31 customer reviews. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions to find out if this speaker is good enough at $69. As we all remember, I did review the Bose SoundLink Revolve 360 degree portable Bluetooth speaker 2 days ago. I did an unboxing and a first impressions of it. At $200, it sounded great, but I don't think that this speaker will sound all that much worse, even though it only costs $69. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and first impressions and figure out if this $69 Bluetooth 360 degree speaker is good enough. So what's really cool about the Anker Soundcore Flare 2 is, first of all, it does come with a feature called PartyCast, where you can link it with up to 100 plus speakers. In addition to the PartyCast feature, it does come with a bass up feature and 12 hours playtime, as well as a waterproof rating of IPX7, which already is superior to the Bose SoundLink Revolve. If we flip over the box here, you just get some branding. It is compatible with iOS and Android because there is a Soundcore app that you can download. It does have up to a 12-hour playtime. And what's really nice is it looks like you can customize the sound and the lighting via the app. So yeah, it is a 360 degree immersive speaker. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing here. So we'll just go ahead and make a little bit of an incision at the top there, and that will allow us to get some of this plastic wrap off. Really premium unboxing so far. It looks like this sleeve will just slip right off. Sure, there's going to be more tape that we're going to have to remove, but looks like actually you can just flip open the lid here, and at the top what we're greeted with is a really nice package. This is like a user manual and probably some cables on the inside here. Let's go ahead and we'll just open that up and see what comes in the box here. So right off the bat, what comes out is a quick start guide, a USB to USB-C charge cable. So right off the bat, that is a little more modern and advanced than the SoundLink Revolve. And then it looks like we get some kind of booklet here talking about the hazards of using the speaker, which I could only imagine what would be hazardous about using the speaker. Second in line to come out of the box is our Flare 2 Bluetooth speaker. The SoundLink Revolve is sort of built out of metal. It's an all aluminum construction, as where the Flare 2 is plastic and this really nice mesh actually on the device. You get the Soundcore logo at the bottom of the device here, and at the top we have another LED light ring. This is all rubberized at the top. The buttons feel nice and tactile, and if I go ahead and just press on the home button, the speaker comes to life, and you can see the LED lights are vibrant, they're colorful, sort of like the rainbow there. In the middle of the speaker, you get what looks to be a multifunction app. It is the Soundcore logo that I'm assuming you can hang up and receive phone calls with, even though I do not see dedicated microphones at the top, unlike on the SoundLink Revolve. You do get a minus button, a plus button here, and at the bottom is a button controlling the LED lights, and as you can see, they are now going in a circle. And then you get a bass up button, which as you can see is illuminated. If we go ahead and press that button, the LED indicator light turns off, letting us know that the bass up feature is off. So yes, when we do the first impressions, we will turn that on and off. And then last but not least, what I've noticed here is the charge port is, first of all, it's really hard to get open without having any fingernails. But what's really nice is it is covered by this weather seal here. The SoundLink Revolve, I believe, was rated at IPX4, and that was largely to do, I think, because the power connector on the back was not covered by a weather seal. So yeah, you do get modern USB Type-C. It is protected by this weather seal here, but what you don't get, what the SoundLink Revolve did offer, was an inline connection so that you could pair this manually to your phone if you could not use Bluetooth for whatever reason. So if you do have trouble pairing it, all you have to do is press that Bluetooth button, and Soundcore Flare 2 should come up at the bottom. And as you can see, we get a little notification there that we are connected. If we scroll down to Soundcore Flare 2 and click on info here, we can disconnect, forget the device, or change the name. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds on the Anker Soundcore Flare 2. So we'll go ahead and turn the bass up feature off, and as you can see, the bass up feature LED indicator light goes away. Let's see how she sounds. Okay guys, so first impressions are, what's really amazing about this speaker is you can go into your EQ settings on your phone and switch between bass booster, bass reducer, flat EQ settings. At the very beginning you saw it did go from relatively flat and equal to sort of thumpy and maybe behind a wall a little bit. That's because I turned it over to bass booster mode just to see what it would sound like. The bass definitely did sound a little bit drowned out. It did drown out the rest of the music. But the good news is when I did turn bass reducer on, or when I switched to a flat EQ setting, the music just got fuller and richer. What I can say about this speaker so far when compared to the Bose SoundLink Revolve is that this speaker is louder and clear, but we will have to wait till tomorrow to do a head-to-head comparison where I will take some official decibel readings to compare the amount of sound each speaker is emitting against one another. What I can say is for $69, this speaker is good enough. What's really awesome is I was standing in the corner of the room. I walked to that corner, I walked to that corner. The sound is full, it's rich from every angle. Like I said, you know, pick your poison with the Soundcore Flare 2 when compared to the Bose SoundLink Revolve. It just depends on if you want the sophistication of the Revolve or if you want the party aspect of the Flare 2. Either way, for $69, you know, take this to the beach with your friends. If you're gonna sit in a circle, everyone is going to be able to hear what is being played out of the speaker. Or maybe if you're having people over at your house, you know, set this in the center of the coffee table. The only take back with this speaker really is if you're not into the LED light effect, then go with something else. I'm not really sure if there is something else on the market, to be quite honest with you. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Anker Soundcore Flare 2 360-degree immersive portable Bluetooth speaker. My name is John. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. I will see you in the next one.